we're at Stadium Sportscards. It's Saturday, so we're doing a box break. We're doing a mixer today with hockey. We've got SP Game Used, Crown Royale, Dominion's Always Fun, and Select. So, you didn't come here to watch me talk about it. You came here to watch me do it. So, 2 minis. We're going to see 4 autographs in our Select break. Well, let's see how well we do. I didn't get the Avalanche, but I'm still rooting to see a McKinnon.
Just not as much.
It's slightly less, yes. Yeah. There's about 10 teams I'm really rooting for. We'll see how well we do. Actually, here, you guys want to jump in? Alrighty, not a refractor, but a prism card of Jack Johnson. As you guys get something good, feel free to bark about it. There's a Justin Schultz.
Ah. Oh, sorry.
What?
Gabriel Landeskog?
Yeah.
Nice.
That's a good one.
It's not
Oh, base card?
Oh.
this is,
Alright, I didn't. Way to go, Alan.
Yeah.
Last box break ever for Alan.
You drop it, you buy it.
Autograph jersey of Dmitry Jaskin. Numbered out of 199. That's alright. And there's a Taylor Hall insert. And Alex Pietrangelo, potentially. It's always fun when you end it like as a question.
Prism card of.
Alright, Alexander Burrows, Prism. Alright guys, need some more autographs. There's a something. Corey Conacher, numbered out of 399. That's 2 to go. Alan's got something.
Dougie Hamilton of 399.
Alright, and one more autograph to go. Bernie Parent Prism. Almost used the R word, won't do that. Thank you, Sorter. And one more pack of that. Can't bite into it without the ground effects. Alright, not Michael Jordan, it's Michael Jordan.
Mikael
Jordan, numbered out of 399. It's always fun to watch me do hockey breaks so I can butcher names. I don't even do great with football. I can screw that one up. Alright, SP Game Used. 5 packs, 1 autograph or jersey in every pack. And, alright. Couple Avalanche guys. Not my team, unfortunately.
You're not bitter about it, right?
No. Let it go. Let it go. Alright, jersey card. Rookie fabrics.
one of one. Good patch.
Here's something. Ba-bam. Alright, Jared Tenorti, numbered out of 35.
Nice.
And I didn't get the Canadians either.
Unknown 407.
Oh, that's Alan. Jake
Mike's
Allen,
looking for sports card.
Authentic Fabrics.
She's never answering your
He's
phone
doing
again.
a Kingsburg. Can I ask who's calling? All right, thank you.
Hi, Alan. Bye, Alan.
I'll call you later.
Okay.
He's in the
There's a
library
quad.
right now.
There you go. Nice. We'll have some fun figuring that one out in a few minutes. Alrighty, that takes care of the SP Game Used. We're going to save the Dominion for last. Here's a Crown Royale. This has 4 packs, autograph or jersey in each pack. 1, 2, 3. Oh, there we go. Much better when you get all 4. Starting it off with, wait a second, that one gets a sleeve. Charlie Coyle. Next. Oh, cool. Manon Rayom. Nice. That is awesome.
Very sweet.
That's a good one.
I don't think I got the lightning either. Oh, crush, man. That's awesome. That's a great, cool card.
What? Everybody knows who he is. It's hockey.
It's a her.
Cool. He deserves it.
It's female.
All right.
First female.
Numbered out of 499.
Yeah, I know who she was.
Yeah, everybody wanted to be the man on, man on.
Oh, yeah.
Alrighty. Did we get a rookie silhouette?
Wasn't it in classics? Yep.
There you go. Not signed, but still looking nice. Numbered out of 25.
Nice.
I got the Capitals. I know that much. Alrighty. Nothing else to glow in there. Time for Dominion. This one's fun. I haven't broken up one of these for a while. Came out kind of early in the season. And
I remember Dominion.
you remember Dominion?
I killed it.
Was it good for you?
Montreal, yeah, the dual
Oh,
sign
yeah,
to Galchenyuk.
Galchenyuk, yeah.
I'm still waiting for that redemption, which I'm sure I'll be getting soon.
Nice politicking here. I like that.
You know it.
Dear valued collector, Bo Bennett. This next one has 4 colors. It's from the Sharks.
Ooh.
Numbered 2 of 5, Mr. Matt Irwin. That's a goodie. We have Matt Duchesne, numbered out of 50. All right, next. What do we have that? Numbered out of 299. We have private signings coming up. Numbered out of 199. And last but not least, Justin Schultz, numbered out of 25. All right. That does it for our break today. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe. That's what I'm supposed to say, I guess. And hey, have an awesome one. Thanks so much.